So now, having discussed about the time of ascent, time of descent and total time of flight, let us try and figure out the expressions for maximum height reached by the projectile and then maximum range or maximum horizontal range. Okay, so again, with this as our projectile, uh, point B here, O here and A here, ground level, and this is my maximum height h, and this is horizontal range. U is our velocity of projection and theta angle of projections. Now see, these are the usual notations which we will be following with projectile motion. Okay, now as I had said earlier, my horizontal component of velocity ux is equal to u cos theta and uy is equal to u sin theta, vertical component, correct? What is the time taken for covering this horizontal distance r, that is the total range? Is it not the time of flight? Correct. So my horizontal displacement is equal to r, horizontal velocity, it is constant, that is equal to u cos theta, right? And time of time, I would say, that is time of flight, and that is equal to 2u sin theta upon g, correct? So so now my distance is equal to see, velocity is distance upon time, correct? So distance would be equal to velocity into time, that would be u cos theta into time is 2u sin theta upon g. So that would be equal to, now here cos theta into 2 sin theta, that is I would write this as u square into 2 sin theta cos theta upon g. Okay, so now 2 sin theta cos theta is sin 2 theta, so I would write this as u square sin 2 theta upon g, that is my horizontal range. So this is the formula of horizontal range, right? Now let's find the expression for maximum height reached. Okay, now for that we know that the vertical velocity at point B is 0. Okay, so vertical velocity at B equal to 0, that is V equal to 0. And what is the initial velocity? Initial vertical velocity uy is equal to u sin theta, correct? So my vertical displacement is h. Okay, now here I am going to use third kinematical equation. So now v square is equal to u square plus 2as, correct? My v is equal to 0 and u is what? U sin theta square of that. Now here g is acting vertically downwards, so let us put it as minus 2g here, and your vertical height, vertical displacement over here is h, correct? So if I take this on that side, so my h is equal to u square sin square theta upon 2g. This is the expression for your maximum height, right? Now here one thing is that I have derived these expressions for r and h as formulae. They look like formulae, but then I don't think there is any reason for memorizing this formulae. What have I done here? I have used the basics, correct? I have used the fundamental equations, like kinematic equations for motion, for constant acceleration, and if you use them, in no time you can get the expressions. No need to memorize. Okay, in the next video we are going to talk more about uh, maximum height and then maximum range, relation between maximum height and maximum range. Then maybe for a given range there can be two possible angles of projection. Okay, we'll be discussing all that in the next videos. Thank you so much.